Cucaliong Shipping Lines Incorporated has opened Storage Town in Cebu. The self-storage facility comprises more than 1,000 units, ranging from 1.8 to 90 square meters. The company had reservations for nearly 100 units prior to the opening. Storage Town has partnered with real estate firm Philippine Homes to assist with property management. Storage Town is a 3-story building on Sacris Road in the village of Kabangalan, Mandaue City. It comprises 10,000 square meters of storage space. The property is developed by the Cucaliong siblings who also operate the business. The family decided to open a self-storage facility in answer to the area's rapid urbanization.
People usually ask us, who are your target market or who are your clients? So we simply tell them, everyone. Yeah, because everybody needs space, and especially in a growing metropolitan city like Cebu, where condominiums, apartments, and office buildings are fastly rising. So there's definitely a demand for space. So whether you're living in the condominium with just 20 meters of space and you have so much things that you can't or don't want to throw out, then you can rent a space with us here. If you live in a big house, but you have had a lot of kids and your kids are already 20, 30 years old, but you don't want to throw away the sentimental items that they had since they were a child, so you can also come and store it here. If you're a businessman, you have either files or inventory, you can also store them here. If you're just a normal person who has extra items like collectibles or even your motorcycle, we can accept and store them here.
Also in square meters, it's almost 1 hectare. So it's very big because of the massive size of it. We thought of it's like a town. Yeah, but like a town, it has everything. We not only provide storage space, but we also sell boxes, scissors, packing tape, anything that you might need to store your things, your files, your boxes, to keep your units organized. So like a town, it has everything. So when you reach here, you don't need to go to National and buy these things or think about these things, because when you come here, all these things are already here at your convenience.
The Storage Town investment included land acquisition and construction. The site is open 24 hours. Security measures include PIN code access and video cameras. The Cucaliong family launched its shipping line in 1989, led by founder and CEO Chester Cucaliong. It operates cargo and passenger ferries on 8 routes in the Mindanao and Visayas regions.